What's the meaning of bill of costs? Bill of costs. Bill of costs.
Bill of costs. Bill of costs. A bill of costs is a legal document that outlines the costs incurred during legal proceedings. It details the expenses involved in a case, such as fees for legal representation, court fees, and other expenses related to the process of litigation. The bill of costs is usually prepared by the winning party and submitted to the losing party for payment. This document serves as a summary of all the expenses incurred and helps ensure the losing party pays the appropriate costs. The bill of costs is an important part of the legal process and is used to prevent any financial disputes arising after a case has been settled.